Ricardo Rawal.
Jagga never found it some rhythm I'm gonna hear for however long. Turn up the rhythm in my ears, the dog. I go by the name Ricardo Rawal this Friday in Fiddler's Elbow, you see me? I know it's in the UK, I'm here representing for the ladies. Next up, I come feel like the girl, let me hear that. Some me sing say, yeah with your body girl, until he come for me. Me say, play with your body girl, I make you come for me. Whoa. Not no nice like more milk in your honey. You tight on me in a harmony. What make you think so fat? This thing you funny. Me no mind girl, but you can spend my money. You have me thinking the whole night. Oh, you give me wings, take off on a flight up in your belly. Me want spend the whole night, me want know how you so wet and me not touch you. Yeah, my girl, take a fire van, come link me. Woo, take a fire van, come link me. But make sure say you now wear no panty. Me want up in your belly instantly. I love the way you are in and quinty. It be a for the ride all night. Feel so good when me inside. Love it when you sit down on the ride, girl. Cock it up, ride like a bike and wine pon it, broke it off. Real bad girl, no you not soft. Wine pon it, broke it off. Cock it off, no it not soft. Wine pon it, broke it off. Real bad girl, no you not soft. Wine pon it, broke it off. Cock it off, no it not soft. Love it when you sit down and ride. Love it when you sit down and ride. Love it when you sit down and ride. And when me sing say, love it when you sit down and ride. Me love it when you sit down and ride. You don't know man, the Royal one man, and me I say yo, this Friday, you know the thing go. Jagan, I feel the girl that me I represent for. Me say, go slow wine for my baby. Go slow wine for my baby. Wine slow on the tip for me. Wine slow on the tip for me. Go slow wine for my baby. Go slow wine for my baby. Wine slow on the tip for me. Wine slow on the tip for me. Can me love it and I sit down on the body and ride. Up in your belly, no beg me take time. Rolex wine, you no take off time. Girl, take it on the left, then you take it any side. Surfing board on the wave, you a ride. Paradise when me inside. Up in your belly, me boss well like kite. Girl, your pussy fat. Plus it tight. Rolex wine, do the Rolex wine. Body fit, you know, enough time. Girl, take it on the left, then you take it any side. Surfing board. I the Royal one again. Hey, my love bad girl, my love freak. Your tongue ring girl, my want it. My love bad girl, my love freak. Your tongue ring girl, my want it. Me say, bad girl, how them like? Them flick the pussy on me anywhere me like. Them no fi do the little thing where me like. Me say, bad girl, how them like? Bad girl, how them like? You are my favorite brand, Jagan. Hey, look, brand new clocks for my feet. Sweet them fresh in the fridge, it a keep. Hey, look, brand new clocks for my feet. Fresh CO2 when we touch straight. Sauce them a drip, nothing about you no cheap. Latest clocks we a rockin' at the street. Hey, sauce full of drip, call the plumber. Sugar them loud, MC. Me no know. Me want know how them do it. How them do it. So me no know. Me want know Jagan. What? How them do it? How Jagan, give me a mix, you know. So, life hard with them had enough nights in no sleep, but alone flossing when them touch street. Them is a freeze, mama fridge empty. Them gold full of carrot and them they empty. Mama chop hard, mama can't buy stocks. Them a pose you the rocks, mama bed pan black. Them timepiece cause 100 G's and them mother don't have a keckle fi boil tea. Them a hype bow, them money enough on them mother she a dead fi hungry. And them a hype bow, them money enough on them mother she a dead fi hungry. I'm a sing say, catch your style. Catch your style, catch your style, catch your style, catch your style. At the Royal, me well versatile. Catch your style, 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 catch your style. Hey, the thing loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was The Royal one,
You know
Ricardo Royal, with the versatility as per usual. My G, big up yourself. Thanks for passing through. We do appreciate it.
Remember, people, it's no easy pass like you're around here. No free pass. So.
No free pass, no fubble double, none of that.
Anybody feel like to me beat UK dance, and so you go come fight me. I don't give no free pass.
Dragon, you know anything, man, isn't it?
For people who are not following you on Instagram or on your social media page, give us that handle, please.
You say the Royal one _. Over Instagram and Ricardo Royal Music.
Underscore what? Again. Brother, over page.
Royal.
You
haven't seen me. You haven't seen me, but it's new, yeah? So, the Royal one _ again on Instagram and over there. Follow me over TikTok, man. Ricardo Royal Music.
Yeah.
You see me? You see me over there a lot.
Most importantly, what they need to do?
The most importantly, I'm just roll out this Friday. You see me? Fiddler's Elbow.
Yeah.
Come support the Royal. You see me? Live band, I'm performing for 45 minutes. See the Dragon.
And
I levels to the thing in the Dragon. I don't know one and go, you know. All
right.
I don't know one.
And what else they need to do?
I would go out and support the EP. You see me? Different side. You see me? Ladies, you're gonna like this one. You see me? There's a few track over there, I know definitely on the can rock to. You see me? You have a new style. I'm say, we do it. So I got them low dog, them not cheap. You know what the thing going on. You see me? Go get it.
Cool, man. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking and staying with us this evening. We do appreciate your continued support. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to Granaries on the 1st of March. It's Mara's birthday bash. It's a sexy and stylish affair at Granaries. Olipa DJ on the bill. And one other party we have a big up, Richie Mundo. Rum Invasion, all white, day rave brunch.
I was at that party too.
Hey, 17th of March, that's Richie Mundo. 19th and 20th of April, Loaded Boss birthday bash.
All right.
DJ Dio, big up yourself. That's your birthday party.
You know where the chefs go.
Whole heap of things that happen between now and then. Make sure now get on the tickets for the various events. Most importantly, please be safe. As we say, thank you for tuning in on Instagram, Facebook, and the TGM Radio UK app. Make sure that you go over to our YouTube channel to support us. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Most importantly, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop our videos. And again, bless up on yourself for sticking and staying.
Big up everybody on the live. I don't know, fire. Big up.
Big up on yourself.
Who's in the comments being active. You know, big up Ricardo Royal for attending the show. You don't know, he's a family of the show. You don't know, big up yourself, bro.
Definitely.
The project is a great look, you see me? Yeah. Big up the word ethics. I want to big up all the UK artists and we are putting in the work. Because there's a lot of artists is putting in work where they're like some unsung hero. You get me? They are the backbone of UK. Yeah. You see me? And we don't talk about this enough, but some of the time we have to beat them.
Why? Don't beat.
No. You want to know? Fuck yourself, you know. Fuck yourself. And I know that fuck yourself. Danny Bless no too. Danny Bless. I feel like so Danny Bless.
Jaga, more give approval still. You approve my project and you say, yo, no fumble double runner. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
You see, you know anything. Big up everybody, man.
Big up Danny Bless. Him master the art of fuckery. You don't know, I feel like I almost master it too. Ricardo Royal, big up yourself. You want to ask them what humble. How's I do your thing? How's I put in your thing? Beanie G, you don't know. Bucky Joe, Prince Akeem, Dragon Slayer.
Everybody.
You don't know, Raver.
Everybody.
Who name me no call? Lord God.
No, but that's not, if you're going to leave out people.
Yo, God no. Anybody name me no call, no disrespect, but you know, if I start calling name out tomorrow, I'm stop.
Like,
Lady Danger, you know, Queenie, yo,
everybody.
Everybody. Right. Yeah, people, you don't know anything. Go love everybody, love a sister. Let love rule in everything you do. And once I read a book in them, say brain power is the main power. Until next week, people, we'll see you.
See you next week, guys. Take care.
Remember, next week, I bun season.
No.
Yeah, we are starting the bun season from next week.
Bye, guys.